So let's get into some maintenance tricks. Set yourself up for success using fertile soil and clay fragments, as they will release nutrients and water over time, reducing the number of fertilizing and watering moments in the future. You can also use this ancient technique of top layering that is still used by farmers today. Simply recycle an organic source like this cornflakes box and cover the top layer of soil, reducing water evaporation rate. For new setups, you can simply use kitchen foil, tightly span it over the top and prick holes into it to supply the underlying soil over there. There is the chance of mold developing, but you can easily tackle this problem by temporarily removing the cover over the molded area to let it dry in. And finally, a trickling system. Buy one online or build your own using materials already in your house, like this one-time solution beer bottle version. Simply fill the bottle with water, cover the top with tape and punch some holes into it. You will need to experiment a little bit with the right amount of holes, but your plant should be safe for at least a week. If you are looking for a more sustainable option, you can use an empty plastic bottle. Same principle here, and if done right, these will last you for a while, which makes them perfect for those vacation weeks. Using a solid setup, a top layer and a water trickler, you should be able to keep weekly maintenance to an absolute minimum.